Okay, here I go. This is going to be my after video. I added the underbody Leo Bense exhaust. This thing sounds great. Now I did do a tuner, so the performance has definitely changed on this bike. So here, this is my before. This is my after. I don't have the DB killer in it, so there's a huge difference. See, the pop that I have now is pretty cool. A lot of it has to do with the programmer. So it sounds pretty mean. Now, if I add the DB killer into this, it quiets it down quite a bit. But I really like it. Oh, it started to come out. I really like it full volume. The best.